Want to take your Glock to the next level? In this video, we're diving into incredible Glock upgrades that will transform your handgun's performance and style. From enhanced triggers and extended magazines to custom slides and optics-ready setups, we'll explore the best mods for improving accuracy, reliability, and functionality. Whether you're customizing for self-defense, competition, or range fun, these upgrades will elevate your shooting experience. Plus, we'll share tips on compatibility, installation, and budget-friendly options. Don't miss out, subscribe, and hit the bell for expert insights, reviews, and everything you need to know about upgrading your Glock. Number 5. Great Lake Custom Works Grip is an incredible upgrade for Glock enthusiasts seeking to enhance the performance and ergonomics of their firearms. This custom grip is meticulously designed to improve handling, control, and comfort, allowing shooters to achieve a more stable and confident grip during operation. One of the standout features of the Great Lake Custom Works grip is its textured surface, which provides an enhanced tactile feel and reduces the likelihood of slippage during rapid fire or in adverse weather conditions. This is particularly beneficial for competitive shooters and law enforcement personnel who require precision and reliability under pressure. The grip is also contoured to fit the natural shape of the hand, promoting a more ergonomic hold that minimizes fatigue during extended shooting sessions. Additionally, the Great Lake Custom Works grip often incorporates customizable options, allowing users to choose colors, patterns, or even additional features that suit their personal style and preferences. This level of personalization not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the Glock, but also contributes to improved functionality. Installation is straightforward, and the grip seamlessly integrates with the Glock's existing design, maintaining the firearm's overall integrity and performance. By upgrading to the Great Lake Custom Works grip, Glock owners can experience enhanced accuracy and shooting comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to optimize their firearm. Whether for self-defense, competition, or recreational shooting, this custom grip represents a significant improvement over the factory option, elevating the overall shooting experience and ensuring that users can perform at their best when it matters most. Number 4. Overwatch Precision Dead V2 trigger is an exceptional upgrade for Glock pistols that significantly enhances the shooting experience through its superior design and performance. This trigger is engineered to provide a crisp and clean break, which helps improve accuracy and control for shooters of all skill levels. One of its most notable features is the reduced pull weight compared to the factory trigger, which not only facilitates quicker follow-up shots, but also minimizes the risk of unintentional discharges, enhancing overall safety. The DTV2 trigger utilizes a precision-machined aluminum body and a polymer shoe, which not only contributes to its lightweight nature, but also provides a solid and reliable feel during operation. Additionally, the trigger has an adjustable over-travel and reset length, allowing users to customize the trigger to their specific preferences, making it ideal for competitive shooting, self-defense, or recreational use. The tactile feedback and audible reset enhance the overall shooting experience, giving shooters a greater sense of control and confidence during firing. Installation of the Overwatch Precision DTV2 trigger is straightforward and can be done without the need for professional gunsmithing, making it accessible for Glock owners looking to improve their firearms' performance. Furthermore, the sleek and modern design of the trigger adds a touch of style to the Glock, appealing to both aesthetics and functionality. By upgrading to the Overwatch Precision DTV2 trigger, Glock users can experience enhanced accuracy, responsiveness, and an overall more enjoyable shooting experience. This upgrade is a game changer for those looking to take their Glock performance to the next level, making it a worthy investment for serious shooters. Number 3. ZevTech, or Custom Slide, is an incredible upgrade for Glock pistols that elevates both functionality and aesthetics, making it a sought-after choice for firearm enthusiasts looking to enhance their handguns. This custom slide is crafted with precision engineering, offering improved performance through its lightweight design and enhanced features. One of the key benefits of the Zevi Custom Slide is its reduced weight, which contributes to faster cycling and improved recoil management, allowing for quicker follow-up shots and greater accuracy. The slide is available in various styles and finishes, enabling users to personalize their Glock while maintaining a sleek and modern look. Additionally, the Zev slide often incorporates cutouts and serrations designed for improved grip and easier manipulation, whether you're racking the slide or performing one-handed manipulations. Many models also feature optics-ready designs, allowing for the seamless attachment of red dot sights, which can significantly enhance target acquisition speed and precision, making them ideal for competitive shooting and tactical applications. The quality of materials used in the Zev Custom Slide ensures durability and reliability, even under rigorous conditions, making it a practical upgrade for everyday carry or professional use. Furthermore, installation is typically straightforward, allowing Glock owners to easily upgrade their slides without needing extensive gunsmithing expertise. The combination of advanced features, lightweight construction, and customizable aesthetics makes the Zev Technologies Custom Slide an exceptional investment for anyone looking to optimize their Glock performance. With this upgrade, shooters can expect a more responsive and enjoyable shooting experience, making it a standout choice for those who demand the best from their firearms. Overall, the Zev Custom Slide represents a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation, tailored for the modern shooter. Number 2. Glockstore DD Mag Extension is an outstanding upgrade for Glock enthusiasts seeking to enhance their magazine capacity and improve overall shooting performance. Designed specifically for Glock models, this magazine extension adds extra rounds to the standard magazine, providing increased firepower without compromising reliability. The extension is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity under rigorous use. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly with the existing magazine, maintaining the Glock's aesthetic while offering a more robust grip surface for enhanced handling. One of the standout features of the DD Mag extension is its ergonomic design, which includes texturing that allows for a more secure hold, particularly during rapid fire or high-stress situations. This improved grip stability can make a significant difference in accuracy and control, especially for competitive shooters or those in tactical environments. Installation is straightforward and requires no special tools, enabling users to upgrade their magazines quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the extension is designed to maintain the same reliability and function as factory magazines, ensuring that performance is not compromised. Users can expect smoother feeding and consistent ejection, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy during shooting sessions. Furthermore, the Glockstore DD Mag extension is available in various colors and finishes, allowing users to customize their magazines to match their style or preferences. With this upgrade, Glock owners can enjoy the benefits of increased capacity, enhanced grip, and improved shooting performance, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to optimize their firearm for range days, competition, or personal defense. Overall, the Glockstore DD Mag extension represents a practical and effective way to elevate the capabilities of a Glock pistol while ensuring that shooters remain confident and ready in any situation. Number 1. KKM Match Grade Barrel is a remarkable upgrade for Glock pistols, designed to significantly enhance accuracy and overall shooting performance. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this barrel features precision machining that allows for tighter tolerances compared to factory barrels, resulting in improved consistency and shot placement. One of the key advantages of the KKM match-grade barrel is its fully supported chamber, which helps reduce the risk of case failure and ensures reliable extraction, making it an excellent choice for both competitive shooters and those who prioritize self-defense. The barrel's polished interior promotes smoother feeding and ejection, contributing to better reliability, especially when using various types of ammunition. Additionally, the KKM barrel is often available in different lengths and configurations, allowing users to choose the best option for their shooting style, whether they prefer a compact setup for concealed carry or a longer barrel for improved accuracy at distance. The installation process is straightforward, typically requiring no special gunsmithing tools, making it accessible for Glock owners who wish to enhance their firearms' performance without significant modifications. Furthermore, the KKM match-grade barrel is compatible with various Glock models, ensuring a wide range of applications for shooters. The aesthetic appeal of the stainless steel finish also adds a stylish touch to any Glock, making it not only a functional upgrade, but also an attractive one. Overall, the KKM match-grade barrel stands out as an exceptional investment for Glock enthusiasts who seek to improve their accuracy, reliability, and overall shooting experience. By upgrading to this high-performance barrel, shooters can expect tighter groups, better handling, and increased confidence in their firearm, whether on the range or in a defensive situation.